What's up, boys, girls, moms, and dads? I'm excited about this one. My son doesn't want to make a video, but I'm going to do it. We have the October 4th, 2020 release of Deadpool movie, Deadpool and Negasonic Teenage Warhead. New boxing. These things are full of detail. I got it on October 6th, pre-ordered it from Target. I don't remember how much it was, I'm sorry. We have the back here, not much color, just the red and black scheme. We just had Damien join us halfway through the video. He's got Cheeto face. He loves his Cheetos. Say hi. Say hi. Hello, hi. Hi. Hello out there. Alright, here's the Teenage Warhead. She came with 4 accessories, a set of hands, and a set of effects. She's supposed to be a teenager, but if you get a look at this face sculpt, it just kind of looks like an old lady to me. But, you know, there's not much paint work because she's got some wash on the shoulders, some wash on her belt, the earring, and, yeah. Good new character. And now we have the 2020 Deadpool MCU Marvel Legend. And let me tell you, I'm highly impressed. It came with like 11 accessories, and the detail work is so great for this toy. I mean, it's not like the detail work on that $70 Deadpool I see on the internet made in Korea, but you know, $25 character. I think it's $50 for the box, maybe. I'm not sure. Don't remember. But just amazing. So they gave us 2 guns, a set of 6 hands, one without the silver armor, pet unicorn, which is a great addition, you know. And we also have a knife, 2 swords, now these guns are fixed into those holsters, so the guns are really just extra, and I guess you pretend they're not there when he's got the guns in his hand. I really don't know. But like I said, the detail work on this guy, I mean, if you could feel it, it feels like it's textured. No blemishes. Just a good all-over character and my favorite new Deadpool. Thank you, Hasbro. So I got this at Target, and I want y'all to remember to like, share, and subscribe. Cool Bella Clan.